Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset the OnStar system in 2026. So in order to reset it, first of all, you just have to turn off your vehicle completely. Afterwards, remove the key or press the start button to fully power it down. Then you just have to do nothing but to just simply wait for about 1 to 2 minutes before restarting. And this is going to refresh the onboard system. After doing so, you just have to press and hold the OnStar button in your vehicle. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts or reconnects. This is going to act as a soft reset for the service. Once it is restarted, you can check if the system connects properly. Just make sure that your vehicle has a good cellular signal and your OnStar subscription is also active. Without these, the system may not respond. Even after doing this, if the issue still continues, you can go into your vehicle's infotainment settings and then you can perform a system reset. This is going to help fix deeper software issues affecting OnStar. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.